The Elephant and the Ant Story. Once upon a time, there lived a strong elephant in the forest. Every day, he would walk with big footsteps, stamping the ant hill. The ants decided to teach the elephant a lesson. One day, when the elephant was eating banana leaves, a few ants started biting him. Elephant was unable to bear the pain and it began to trumpet loudly. The ants felt sorry for the elephant. "We are sorry. We wanted to teach you a lesson." The elephant realized his mistake. He understood that all the living beings feel pain. From that day onwards, the elephant did not trouble others. Moral of the story: bigger is not always great. Thank you.